Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up audio mixers in OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, when you go ahead and open your OBS, normally you already have your audio mixer set up and there's not much that you have to worry about except for some settings left and right. However, let me just show you if this is just not working for you or if it's not there. So simply go ahead into settings. Once you're on settings, go to audio, and on your audio, make sure that your default desktop audio is on default or on any particular output devices that you have. So for example, my USB audio device will take all the outputs from my desktop, so I could also select that to be specific. You can have at least 2 desktop audios, so if there's something else you have connected to a speaker or something else, you can simply go ahead and connect to that as well. For your microphone, simply go ahead and select the mic you have used, and that is about it. Once you have those set up, then almost every time your audio mixer should be right over here. If it's not, you can simply go ahead onto this docs tab and simply click on audio mixer, and it's right over here. Now there are a couple things that you have to understand in audio mixer. So for example, as you can see, my microphone is on the green. However, if it was too loud, it would be on the red, and I would have to pull this down in order for me to go ahead and turn off the sound, or just lower it until it's on the green area. So same for desktop audio as well. And once you've done that, there are also some things that you can go ahead and play around with. For example, you can add filters to your microphone by simply clicking on audio filters and clicking on plus, and here you can play around with 3-band equalizer, you can play with compressor, you can play with noise gate, noise suppression, and many more. So that's something you can play around with mic as well as on your desktop audio as well. The other thing what you can do is go to audio, advanced audio properties, and here what you can do is either you can play around with the volume with percentage, you can also balance left and the right, and you can also sync your audio. So for example, if your mic is not synced with your video, you can add some delay and then go ahead and fix it. You can also go ahead and play around with monitoring audio if you want to. I don't normally like to do that, and there are also 6 tracks given right over here. So that is about it when it comes to setting up your audio mixer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.